think some of them lost a little bit of their hair when they were house playing. They were got some hair on the ground. There's Lily, and we have Lily and Milo over there trying to play with Cruiser, and Abby right here. And up now. They're bouncers. And we have them over there trying to get my water bottle. And now we've got Abby trying to get the water bottle. And I've got two puppies here that think they want to fight right next to me, right in front of me. I have another piece of hair that must have happened from their little disagreement earlier. Uh-oh. Looks like they... Who's that? Oh, that little bark, that was from Emma, I believe, one with the black spot on her eye. I think Mom came over to break up the fight between Lily and Milo. And it's funny, Milo is the runt of the litter, but yet he thinks he's the big man on campus, so he's usually beating up on everybody. He just loves to play like that. Oh, can't see. Yeah, the puppies have grown up with Cruiser, and Cruiser's been with them since day one, and they feel very, very comfortable with him. Oh, now Lily is beating up on Milo over there. They're getting a little attitude-y over there. And we've got Abby chewing on Cruiser. Uh-oh, and I've got somebody trying to get into my water bottle again. Who do we have hiding over here? Hey, hey. I believe that is, oh, there we go, that is Emma. Oh, Lily is, I don't think Lily's very happy. But then she just came over to beat up on Milo. I think she's trying to get Milo back now, is the problem. You guys aren't playing with your toys, you just want to beat up on each other? Sorry for the mess. We are in process of changing out of carpet and putting down some floors. And look who we have here. Little, of course, Abby, who thinks she always needs to be on my lap. Uh-oh, Cruiser's got the toy with the squeaky. Let's see what the puppies are going to do. I don't know if they've heard that squeak too often, so. Yep. And they all came back to me again. This one here, this is Milo. Hey, there we go. Hey, we have Emma. And Lily was just doing her little bounce over there and I missed it. Oh, there's her little bounce she does. Lily? Okay, Lily, you want to come over here? Do a little bounce for us? She's going to ignore me right now. Oh, got Abby that's trying to get on my lap all the way and about ready to fall off. Yeah, I think they're kind of got their concentration. They've got two concentration over there. We have our Lily and Milo. Oh, and the loud toy from Cruiser. There's little Milo, the little sweetie there. And of course, I have her on my lap, and then I have Emma over here. Usually all four of them try to get on my lap.